Hi everyone, and welcome back to my tutorial. Today we're doing a spot logo for a brand called Forte. So let's jump to Illustrator and let's get started. We'll start with lines. Let's draw the first line and keep it to 0.5 pixel line width. Then we hold Alt and duplicate it into several places. So Ctrl D and we make it a lot of lines, and then we'll group it together in a group. Then stretch it a bit. Then we'll duplicate the line by holding Alt and dragging out. Then we'll flip the lines a bit to create some. Let's go to transform and scale, and let's just alt drag and then kind of rotate it the other way around, and let's make it cut across the lines, both lines diagonally. So let's stretch it to cut fully. So perfect. So let's drag it down this way, and then we'll select everything like this, and then we go to I'm just having an issue right now, so let's set everything like this, and then we'll go to and then we select black. So we go to the page, this should be that one. Then we'll select black on the fill, and then we'll drag over the whole. Then we'll drag over the shape to create a kind of an F shape, and let's wait for it to build, and then add a small dot here, and we are done with a simple logo. Alright, so next thing, let's try to ungroup the lines. So we tap on this and then ungroup, and this one we'll select both of them, and then we'll cut them from the design, then delete the rest of the lines. Now paste this one back, and then let's scale it down a bit, and this is looking so beautiful. So let's add the text. I feel it this a bit too much. It's looking good. So let's add the text. Forte. Let's scale it up a bit. Yeah, something like this is looking cool. More bigger. So I think we should scale the let's look with font. Let's go with the let's go with ATM sounds. Yeah. Make it a bit bold, or is it regular or medium? Let's use medium rather. Medium is looking good on it, and I think we're done. So let's scale this one. Let's scale it down a bit and group it, and then let's line it properly. So let's cut this, press enter, and then let's put it in a group. Let's copy it to the other side of the design. Let's make a variation of black background. Drag over this place, and then we'll copy this one by holding Alt, and we hold and drag to the other part of the artboard. Then we option and then arrange and bring to the front. Then make it white. Bam, and then align it properly. Okay, so it's looking good. So let us now align it. Let's group it and align it properly, and we got done with this. Let's go ahead and show the final view on a mockup file. Let's go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.